He's working it. Third chapter of River Monsters. Third chapter of River Monsters, going after the big ones.
I heard these can get up to 50 pounds. Knock a man right off the coast.
Oh, he's gone blank for a while. Oh yeah, we got the game on.
Oh, he's taking line. He's a monster.
Oh yeah, look at him. Cannot budge that rod.
Whoa! Are you recording?
Yeah, I've been recording for a while. I saw the strike, the cast, and everything. There we go. He's coming in. Oh, yeah. They're fighting him in there. That's a nice one. Oh, yeah, look at that. That's the biggest one of the day, I think. All right, there he is.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Wild in the cooler. Here, let me get this out. You gotta delicately do this so we don't injure him. There he is.
All right.
He's got it. 5 on that one. All right. Back at it again. All that fine eating.